we'll show you what's happening here. We are showing the installation process for our AbayaTrack software. It's if you don't know what is AbayaTrack, it's a production dashboard, right, to track your production places. So yeah, you can see who's working, who's not working, who is going to, how much work is getting done, and so that you can have a understanding how much work is meaningful, what is getting waste. And because of this understanding, everyone can work less and do things done, right? So it's not about losing your employee, it's not losing or cutting down employment, it's more about how to utilize your existing workforce and others to make things better. So yep, thank you very much for listening. Yeah, we will soon be innovating from other factories and others. And if you just feel free to knock us, give us an email at abir.abbas@proton.me if you need an innovation in your factory in line with Industry 4.0. Yeah, thank you very much. Signing off, Muhammad Abir Abbas.
হ্যাঁ আমার ফেফা কেন সাদা লাগাই দাও